technology, green technology,
Myself, Karthikeyan. I am operation manager in this company.
Myself, I am Layanto and I am my role of maintenance.
I am Sundar. I am electrical instructor.
I am Karnavaran, assembly engineer of RMC Private Limited.
I am Mohan. I am working as a training engineer.
I am Parthasari. My role is quality control.
So, good afternoon. This is related to the solar panels. So, many problems, maintenance, operation, electrical, and the advantages, disadvantages. So, many problems related in the solar panel system. So, solving the many problems. This type of concentrated with the both availability of the reduced cost and hope of the robotic mapping system, and then be carefully handling the solar panel system. This type of distance, and we have many employing innovative problems, the new think, difficult creativities. So this type of programmings, this solar panel system. Sorry. And after this, would be the many long-term system.
Operating system, our role is to perform, check all daily activities and check another routine in our payment systems. We meet and complete the production target in our companies, and we can well manage our operation system with many other workers and their labor charges with their facilities and helpful for other inconvenience projects.
Maintenance to be and routine maintenance to check the cleaning process and scratches more than about cleaning to the panel to safety and scratches to be identified.
I'm an electrical instructor. In this electrical instructor, in the role of getting the electrical supply to the various voltage, 10 volt, 8 volt, 6 volt. I will correct the electrical supply to the solar panels through the cables with the correct wiring to the solar panels.
As the director of our training industry, we are working for to reduce the dust and cleaning process, and what your guys have said that it's correct to reduce our main motive was to clean and reduce the dust process, and by using automatically without human use. So,
Assembly engineer. We are facing the assembly process, roof damage and inverter issues, potential damage for solar panel, and transport problems are to export the solar panels. The solar panels are scratches and cracks we are facing, and duster and assembly. After finish the assembly, solar panels are dusted. Inside cleaning process.
I am Parthasari. My role is quality control. I control the quality glasses, solar panels are perfectly strong and then fix the solar panels are strong. Then do not crack the glasses or to protect the glasses and the solar panels to continue the current is passing the battery. Then it will be protecting the solar panels.
So, you are the maintenance. So, what are the maintenance in the solar panel? Maintenance are clean the solar panel to robotic arms or drones to be face the cleaning process to be Wi-Fi or water, and then the robot can be jumped to one clean process to one by one to be cleaning the panel, which drone like structure drones which type of model?
We're using a sensor software to directly test how the particles are there. After detecting that, we have some signals from our system. After noted that our maintenance manager, we can clean it.
Okay, but it was the electrical. This solar panels, what volt?
I already told that 10 volt, 8 volt and 6 volt the current is varying. That varying current maintain the constant, that is our job to maintain the constant electric current.
This
Assembly.
assembly is rotating. What mechanism? Which mechanism?
I recently see this mechanism, Lotus mechanism.
Okay.
On to the solar panel, acting 45 degree for sunrise to circulate the electrical energy. And evening time to rotate the bottom of the solar panel. That's all.
So this is all the problems. Many free. So this is for quality of. Okay, what quality? It's based thinking. You are thinking and solar panel system.
Improve the glasses strength and solar panel strength, strength durability to increase high